Hi, so those of you that have found this video may well have searched for the Protein Works, and I'm making this video because I would like to recommend the brand. I want to tell you how fantastic it is. It's a product that I've been using for the last 6 to 9 months while in lockdown. I've been using the shakes to lose weight. I've actually lost over 2 stone now, and not just through using these protein products, but I've literally had to do very, very little exercise. I've done it all through diet, and in incorporating these protein rich shakes into my routine. And I'm not talking about all the time. I've used 3 or 4 as meal replacements throughout a week, so not even every day. Upped the amount of protein in my diet, reduced the hunger, and therefore helped me lose weight throughout the period. So I thought I'd make a little video saying, if you're looking to lose some weight and looking to have a more balanced and a better lifestyle, definitely give the Protein Works a try. The only issue I have with the Protein Works is that when I go onto their Facebook, it clearly seems to be aimed at not my age group. So I'm coming up on 50, and I'm planning, I have given myself a 50th birthday present, in that losing two stone makes me feel fantastic, and getting back to maybe playing football again. That's one of the goals that I've got. But when I go onto the Protein Works Instagram and Facebook, it is very, very guided or pushed towards young people. Fine, I understand that, look, literally this product is mainly aimed at people who are working out, and one of the ways I've lost weight has been using weights rather than cardio. I've literally done 0 cardio throughout the last 6 to 9 months. So they say, obviously, when you come out of lockdown, you're going to be a chunk, a hunk, or a drunk. I'm not exactly a hunk, but I'm not a chunk. So I've managed to do what I wanted to do. Within their Facebook and Insta, though, it is very heavily populated with very, very fit people, and I think it is something that all of us can use. It's a fantastic product. If you give it a try, there's loads of discounts available. Jump on the site. My recommendation, as somebody who runs lots of ads online for businesses, they might not like me saying this, but if you go onto their pages, go onto the website, enter your details, create an account, go to the checkout, and then stop at that point, because what will happen is you will get made an offer in the following days. They're incredibly good. The Protein Works are incredibly good at their remarketing, so you will get adverts coming up, you will get offers made to you, and often you can get like a 50% discount off your first order to give it a try. I even tried the vegan version of the milkshakes, and I thought, oh, this ain't, it's not going to be great. But I tell you what, any of these products mixed with milk in the Protein Works shaker tastes like a proper milkshake. Fantastic. So yeah, give it a try. Highly recommend the Protein Works, and yeah, get onto it.